Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will make a simple program in which we will display something on our console, something like hello world, or enter anything, or enter name, or enter any integer. Then we will take some inputs from the user and will store them in some variables. If you haven't installed C++ compiler on your operating system, then watch my previous videos. Link will be given in the description. So let's jump into the video. First we will create a source file and then save that source file to our operating system. I have saved my source file by the name of hello and CPP is the extension of C++. First we will include our header file. Hashtag is the header file operator. Then we will use keyword include, and then we will write the name of the library. In this program we are using library IOStream. IOStream is the library used for input and output stream. What is a library? A library is made up of useful reusable code. For example, functions, configuration, data, procedure, script. A library also lets you interact with operating system. Then we will using namespace std. Why we use namespace std? Because the computer needs to know the cout and cin functionalities, and it needs to know which namespace they are defined. What is cout and cin? Don't worry about that, we will discuss it further on. What is a namespace? A namespace is also called namescope. Namespace is a declaration region that provides a scope to identifiers like name of the functions or classes data type inside it. Namespace are also used to organize code into logical group and to prevent name collisions that can occur, especially when your code base includes multiple libraries. Now we will create our main function. What is a function? A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. A function declaration tells the compiler about a function's name, return type, and parameter. In our main function, int is our return type, main is the name of the function, and we don't have any parameter. Now we will display something on our console, something like hello world. For this purpose, we will use cout. Cout is an object of output stream that is used to show input on our console or monitor. After every statement we will put terminator. You can run this program by clicking on this icon, or you can press F11. See, hello world is printed on our console. This whole screen is our console. Now we will take input from the user. For this purpose we will declare some variable. Variables are the container for storing data. Variables, if you want to store int type integer, you have to use the data type of int. If you want to store some paragraph or alphabet or any sentence, you will use data types like string, or if you want to store a single alphabet, you will use char. You can study about data types on the internet. Link will be given in the description. You can study it from our website. So in this I will only take integer input. First we will write data type of the variable, then we will write the name of the variable. Here I have taken integer as the
name of our variable. Now we will write something on our console like enter number. Now we will take input from the user. For this purpose we will use cin. Cin is an object of input stream that is used to take input stream like on our console, or you can say monitor. We have to store our input in the integer, so we will write here integer. You have noticed that I have put terminator on every at the end of every statement, so this is must. You have to put terminator or on every at the end of every statements. Now we will run it. It is taking input as displayed on the console. Then let's just display it. Entered number, and then we will say so whatever you write will be displayed on the console. I have written 1 2 3 4 and it is displayed on the console. Let's just make it more efficient. Yes, it is displaying the same input I have entered on the console. In the next video we will discuss about the conditional statements. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and click on the bell icon to get the latest news. So I hope to see you all in the next video. Allah Hafiz.